Hello everyone, Sharif Abu Zaid here with a new video, and today I want to show you how you can create a sales funnel inside your WordPress website. Let me show you what we are going to create during this video tutorial. So let me open this page, which includes a sales page. So I'm going to show you how you can quickly set up this sales page to sell an online course for you or any digital product, and when someone tries to buy the product, they will be redirected into this simple looking but high converting landing page which you can design to whatever you want. You can add like testimonials, you can add bullet points where you can show the people the benefits of joining or buying your online course, and when they try to buy this, they need to add their payment, their contact details, and add their password. So they will need to add their password, and they can order now. Of course, you can set up this to be sold using PayPal, Stripe, or many other payment gateways. When they click here to buy this product or this course, they will be redirected into an upsell page. Now you can upsell them for your membership. For example, if they like to take this offer, they will just click here, yes, I want this offer. If they like to cancel this, if they don't like this membership offer, they will just click no thanks. And let's see, now they will be redirected into a downsell page where you can offer them, make them another offer. And of course, you can make many upsells and downsells during this video. Also, I'll show you if you can do this. And if they like this, they will just click, yes, I want this discount. They will be added to, the payment of this masterclass, it will be added to their payment. So the total order value is 234 US dollars instead of 197. This is the main concept of a sales funnel: a sales page, a checkout page, an upsell page, then a downsell page. Again, you can make many upsells and downsells I'm going to show you how you can actually create many upsells and downsells to sell more of your digital products. But if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Sharif Abu Zaid, and I create similar tutorials to help you create better WordPress websites where you can make more money online. So please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like to see more of my video tutorials. Now let me show you how you can actually create this sales funnel inside your WordPress website. Of course, before setting up our sales funnel, we need to have already created our courses, masterclasses, and also our membership program. For the courses and the masterclass, I've used TutorialMS to create the courses. So inside my courses tab here, you'll find that I have already created two courses. One is called WordPress for Beginners. I have created like 2 lessons. Of course, you can create whatever or how many lessons do you like to have. And for the Smart Blogging Masterclass, I have already created 1 lesson that includes a video tutorial where I take people explain the people how they can be smart when blogging to create an online income from their blogging activities. And for the membership program itself, I've used Wishlist Member, which is a membership plugin that can be used to set up any type of memberships inside your WordPress website. So you need to have already created your courses and masterclass, plus your membership as well. Now we can start creating our sales funnel. So to create a sales funnel, we need to follow 6 steps. We need to first create or install our sales funnel software. We need to create 3 products. We need to create sales page to sell the main product. We need to create a checkout page for the course page. We need to have 2 other pages, one for the upsell and one for the downsell as well. For the sales funnel software or plugin, I'll be using the StudioCart plugin, which is a sales funnel and a checkout page plugin that you can be used to sell different types of products. You can use this plugin to sell courses, online classes, live workshops, and memberships, and many other products as well. For the most amazing part about this plugin is the number of indirect integrations that StudioCart already have. Already has. When you go to the integrations, this plugin is already directly integrated with most of the popular email marketing platforms such as ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, MailerLite, MailPoet, MailChimp, and also it is directly integrated with Blendash, TutorialMS. You don't have to buy this direct integrations feature. Means that you don't have to buy another plugin in order to have this integration as well. So this is, I think for me personally, this is the most amazing part of the plugin, just below the sales funnel feature of the plugin itself. For the pricing, I think they have 3 pricing plans, but still if you want to buy 1 license for your website, you just pay for $200 for the whole year, which For me, this seems affordable and not expensive when compared to another expensive sales funnel software in the market, whether this is inside the WordPress community or for the SaaS products as well. I'll be leaving down below my affiliate link if you like to buy the plugin using my affiliate link to support this YouTube channel. Once you buy the plugin, you'll have access to your account page where you can download the plugin and also have access to your license key. Once you do this, you need to install the plugins files and activate them. Of course, you need to go to your WordPress dashboard, and under plugins you need to click add new, and you need to upload the plugins file and click install and activate the plugin and add your license key. Once you do this, you'll find a new tab called the StudioCart, and here we need to go to first our settings tab to set up a few things. First, for the general tab, you need to choose your currency, your default country. You need to add your company name, company address. Also, you need to choose which page will be your account page or your student's account page. Will they have access to their orders and payments? And these are the main settings here. For the payment methods, you need to set up your Stripe and PayPal if you are using Stripe as a payment gateway and PayPal. And also, there are another payment gateways that can be set up. I think Razorpay from India can be set up with this plugin, but you need to check their knowledge base to know exactly how you are going to use, how you can set up this payment gateway. I'll be enabling the cash on delivery just to make this a quick video for you. But this is an easy process that you can set up your PayPal or Stripe. For the integrations tab here, you need to, if you are using your ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit or MailChimp, you need to add your API keys here. So you need to check here to know which services that you like to have integrations with, and you need to add your API or account ID inside this page. So for the emails here, you can choose which email can be used to be the from email and from name, and for the footer text of all of your emails. And also you can edit the emails that goes out when order is received, order purchase confirmation, user welcome. If you like to send an email when a new user is created inside your WordPress community. I mean, these are very clear, straightforward emails that you need to check. You need to add your tax information, and also you need to set up some options regarding the invoices that is created with your orders as well. Now, once you set up these, now we can start actually setting up our sales funnel. So let me recap what we have done already now. We have already created, before installing the software, we have already created our main course and masterclass course using TutorLMS, and also we have created our membership using wishlist member. Now we have set up the main settings of the StudioCart. Now we can start actually creating our products that will be used or will be sold as a main product, a downsell product, and also as an upsell product. So let me show you how you can actually create new products. So we need to create a new product. You need to go to products, and here we need to click add a new product to create a new product. So let me click add a new product here. And by default, StudioCart can be used to create pages to sell your products. Pages you need to add here. Let's say this is WP for beginners. So this is beginners. Let me just fix this. So this is the page that, I mean, this is a product page. StudioCart by itself creates a separate product pages that can be used to sell these products, but I don't like the layout of the default StudioCart pages. So I need to create my own sales page from scratch. So this is the product page. So let me copy this and click for the public product name, which will be shown inside our checkout page. I like to use the same page here. This is the main settings that we need to set up inside the general tab. For the payment plans here, we can create different payment plans that can be used to sell this product. Let me show you. So to create a new plan, we can just click add new, and then we need to choose the price type. Is this a one-time payment or a recurring payment, or you can ask people to pay what they want, or this is a free product. I like to use the one-time payment for the course itself, because this can be sold as a one-time payment. And for the plan ID, this is, I mean, you can just add something. Let's say WB01, for example. This is a unique ID. And for the price, I like to pay to sell this for $197. And that's it. Now our payment plan has been set up. For the, I like to leave the purchase restrictions just like this. Payment methods, if you like to restrict payments, I like to use cash on delivery only. You can set up coupons here if you like to set up coupons for the product itself. You can set up order bumps, but I just leave this as blank. For the upsell path, this is where we set up our upsells and downsells, but we need to create first our upsell path. So I'll just leave this as blank here. Once we create our downsell and upsell path, you will have the option to connect this main product with the downsell and upsell path. For the confirmations, I just like to leave them as they are. Of course, we can set up, if you like to click add new, you can set up here. If you like to redirect people to a new page, you can set up this from here. So I just leave it as default here. What's really important is the integrations. Now for the integrations, now when someone buys this product, we need to do two things. First, we need to create a new user account for them, and also we need to integrate this purchase with our tutorial-based course, which is WordPress for beginners. To do this, we need to create two integrations here. First one, let's add a new one, and let's say this is create a user. So when someone buys this product, we need to create a product. We need to create a user account for them. So let's click create user, and for the user role, we need to use a subscriber role. So now this integration is done. So let's click add new. And let's also create another integration with tutorial. So when someone buys this product, I need to enroll them in which course? WP for beginners, and also a user role as a subscriber. So let's trigger. The trigger is we can choose from different triggers here. We can choose product purchase, product refunded, or cash on delivery order created. So let me choose cash on delivery created, and also product purchase. Now we have these two integrations set up. The last step that we need to make is to go to the form fields and create a set up a form field that will enable them to create a username or an email and also a password. By default, the form fields are first name, last name, email, and phone number. I don't need to have the phone number, so I just click here and disable this field here, so the phone number will not show inside my purchase form. So let's click add new and add a password field. We need to have like password, so let's click for the form ID, let's choose just PW, and for the field type, let's choose a password field, and let's call this password. For the label, let's call this password. And now I think we are done. We can even enable the auto login after someone purchase this plugin, this product. So let's click here. I think we are done now. Here we need to connect our upsell path, but I will do this after we create the other two products as well and our upsell path. So let's click publish. Now our first product has been added. Now we need to create another two products, which is the downsell and the upsell. So let's quickly go to our WordPress dashboard and let's click add a new product, and let's first install or set up our upsell product, which is membership. So let's it's called Smart Blogging Community, and let's call this community membership. And for the product page, let's just go to the for the payment plans, I will click add new, and I will choose a recurring payment, and let's say membership payment of, let's say, $47, and frequency every month they need to pay 47, and that's it. I think now we are done with this, and we need to click here. So we have already created our payment plan. We need to integrate this, so when someone buys this product, they will be added to our membership. And because we have already created our membership with wishlist member, we need to connect it with our integration here. So let's click add new, wishlist member as a service. So let's choose wishlist member, and we need to add them to a level. Which level? Smart Blogging Community. And I think now we are done. So the trigger, we need to set up the trigger purchase order, and also cash on delivery order created. And let's click publish. This was our second product. Let's go back again and let's create another product. So let's add a product, which is our downsell product. So let me go here and let's see. So let's say this is Smart Blogging Masterclass, Smart Class. So if someone doesn't buy the membership, we just need to upsell them with a masterclass. So let's add this is the product name, and for the payment plans, let's go to the payment plans, click add new. We need to say Smart 02 for example, and one-time payment of, let's say 37. Okay, I think now one-time payment, let's say this one-time payment of 37, and that's it. And also we need to set up our integration. We need to click here. We need to add them to another tutorial course, which is enroll in the Smart Blogging Masterclass as a subscriber. Trigger, product create, purchased, COD created, and let's click publish. Now we have already created our 3 products. We have created, let me go to the plugin here. We have installed our software. We have created our 3 products, the course product and membership product, and also the masterclass. Now we need to create our sales page. So let me go to our WordPress dashboard here. Let's create a new sales page. So let's just wait for 1 second till this. Okay, let's go and click add new, and let's click add new here. And let's call this WB for beginners, B for beginners course. And let's fix this. Now for the sales page, you can create your sales page using any page builder. You can use Elementor, you can use Thrive Architect, you can use Prezi, you can use Beaver Builder, or any other type of page builders. But I'm like to use the Kadence plugin, which is another page builder that is deeply integrated with the blog editor of WordPress to create this type of sales pages. I'm not going to spend so much time to create this sales page because this is a topic for another video. But what I'll do, I just download like a template from their design library. You'll have, once you install the Kadence blocks, you'll find you'll have access to all of these blocks to create your sales pages, and also you'll have access to a design library which includes a ton of ready-made templates. So these are all patterns, sections that you can use to design your sales pages. But if we go to the pages as well, you'll find a ton of pages that can be used to as a template to design these sales pages. Look at this. These are beautifully designed sales pages that can be used to sell your products, whether these are courses or anything else. I'll choose this one, this one. I click here. I'll just install and download this template here. This looks nice to me. All we need to do is that we need to click here and add a link to our checkout page. But first we need to make some changes. So let's go here. Let's disable the page title. Let's disable the header. I like the sales page doesn't have the header. And here let's change this to be something like buy or create WordPress websites. Very easy with Kadence blocks, for example. Okay, let's fix this and let's click publish, and let me view the page. So let's click here and view the page, and this is our page. This looks nice to me. Okay, let's suppose this is our sales page. We need to have a link here for our checkout page. So we need to create our checkout page. Now to create a checkout page, let's click here and click add. And you know what, we need to maybe change this. So let me go here and fix this for the default. Let's disable this and let's click up and disable this one. And let's click refresh to remove this part. Has been already removed now. So now we need to create our checkout page. So let's click here and let's call this checkout page. Now we need to add the checkout page of the main product inside this page. And you can do this by just clicking here and search for StudioCart. And this is the block that can be used to install our checkout page or to create a checkout page for our main product. So let's drag it here. Let's add it here. And for the product name, we need to choose WB for beginners, and let's click publish, and let's view the page now. I like to view this page quickly for you. And here we find our checkout page. This looks nice. Of course, you can design this checkout page to whatever you want. And we need to have, we can add testimonials. We can add whatever we want. Let me show you this. So let's add like a row. So let's add a row. So let's add a row. I'm using the Kadence block. So let's add a row here. Let's make this 2 pages, and let me add. Let's take this here, and you know what? Let's make this smaller. So let's add a testimonial. So let's add a testimonial. As a testimonial, let's say this is the best sales funnel, and we can write a few words here. So let's write few words here, and we can add, let me see if I have an image. Let me add in this image here, and we can call this Sophia, and let's fix this plugin. Let me try to add some text here very quickly. And you know what, let's just duplicate this. Let's click update, and let's also disable the page title. Let's click update, and let's go to our checkout page, and let's click refresh. So this is now our checkout page. Of course, you can make any design you like. For example, if we like to make this section like change the background, do something like this. We can even minimize or decrease the height of, let's make this medium or small. Let's make this large, and let's make this large as well. I mean, change the size of this. Let's make this medium. Let's make this large, and let's give this some sort of a padding. So let's go to the advanced tab. Let's go to the padding. Let's add some padding here. Let's click update, and let's go to our checkout page. Let's click refresh. I think now this looks like a good looking checkout page. Here, as you can see, people can add their first name, last name, email, and also password to create an account for them. So now we have already created we have installed the software, created 3 products, and created also our sales page, and created our checkout page for the main product. We need to connect the sales page to the checkout page. So let's take this URL here, and let's go to our let's edit our sales page, and let's go to this button, this button here, and let's click here, and let's add the link to the sales page, and let's click, or the link to the checkout page. Let's click update, and let's open this in a new tab here, and when we click to the call to action button, we are directed into our checkout page. Now I think we can start selling our product. Now we need to create the one page for the upsell and one page for the downsell itself. I mean, so let's click here, and let's create our upsell page. So let's click create a new page, and let's call this membership upsell, and let's add a section from the design library. Let's click here, and let's go to the patterns, and let's quickly download this section, and let's say that's buy the membership, the smart blogging membership. I'm just writing too quickly here. Membership with 70% off for only $47 a month. Of course, you can design this to whatever you want. And here we need to create two buttons, if they accept or reject the button. Then we'll be adding our links in a later stage. So let's say yes, I want this offer. If they accept this, and then we also need to create another button. So let's click here to create another button and say no, thanks, I want the full price, for example. And for the layout, so these are 2 products. So these are our 2 price. So these are our 2 buttons here. We need to create another page for, let's also disable the page title, and let's disable the header and the footer, and let's click publish, and let's view the page. So this is our upsell page. I need to make for the layout, For the layout, I like to make this like line center. So let's click update and let's view the page. Now this looks nicer. Maybe you need to decrease the size. So let's go here. Let's go to here as well. Let's make this like large. Let's click update. Let's click view page. Now this looks nicer here. Of course we can make, you can do a lot of things inside this page, but I just like to make this quickly. Of course you can change the image, you can change the button color, but this is for another video. I'll leave a link also down below for my Kadence blocks tutorial if you like to know how you can use the Kadence blocks to design your pages. So let's click, let's create another page and let's call this Downsell page for master class. Let's click publish, and of course we can again go to our design library and we can install one of their patterns as well. So let's use the same pattern here. Go here, make this align center, copy this. Let's make another button here. Let's say the same. Yes, I want this discount, or let's say here, no, I want to pay the full price. And let's click publish. Let's remove the header. Let's remove the page title and disable the header and footer, and let's click update. Of course we can change the title. So let's say buy, or let's make this as a title. So let's say buy. Of course you can come up with another high catchy or more conversion focused title for the page. Buy the master class for 37 as I mentioned. Let's remove this. Or or buy, because if they reject to buy the membership, I'm going to offer them this master class. Buy the master class. Let's make this like AP and let's make this large. Let's click update and let's view the page. So let's go here. Let's view the page. So now this page is ready. Now we need to create the upsell path to create the last step in our sales funnel, which means that we are going to integrate everything together to create this flow of the sales funnel, which has a main product, an upsell, and then a downsell. We need to open the, so now we have our downsell page opened, and also we need to open our upsell page. So let's go to this is the upsell page. So let's edit the page and also have it opened here. And then we need to go to our StudioCart and you need to go to the upsell path. This is the last step that we need to use to create this upsell. This is another upsell. I just leave it as trash. I created this one while I was testing StudioCart. So let's create a new upsell path here. Let's click here and let's call this upsell and downsell down for WP for beginners course. I need to work harder in writing very quickly. Downsell. So for the upsell here, we need to click upsell. We need to enable an upsell and we select the products. We need to select our WP for beginners product. And we say this, I remember it was for the upsell, it was like a 47. And we need to choose our upsell page. So let's choose our membership page and we need to add our buttons here. So when someone, let's go to the upsell page. This is the upsell page. So we need to go here. I mean, these buttons are for if someone accepts this button, we need to add this link. I mean, we need to choose this link. We need them to click this link. If they decline the offer, we need them to click this link. So let's copy this and let's go to our membership page and let's click here and let's add our link here. So let's add it here. Let's click link, and for the reject we need to add it here and let's add our link here. Let's click update. Let's click update. So now we have our first upsell ready. We need to go back. We need to go to, so we have first created our first upsell. We need to go to and create our first downsell. Enable this, create the same product or choose the same product, and let's say 37. Select the page, select our downsell page for the master class, and also copy this and go to the downsell. This is not the, let's go to the downsell, and again we need to add our URLs here. This is the first URL. We need to copy the next URL, and we need to add it here. So let me add it here, and let's click update. Of course, we can add multiple downsells and upsells, up to 5 upsells, but I like to use just one upsell and one downsell for this sales funnel. So now we have our upsell path ready. We need to connect this with our product. So this is the last step. Then we need to test this sales funnel. So let's go to our product page, and let's open our WP for Beginners product. Remember this, and we need to go to our upsell passes. So we need to go to upsell pass, click here and choose this one and click update. Now we can start testing this sales funnel. So let me open the page. So let's go to open the sales page in incognito mode. Let me paste the URL here. Let's give it a second. So now we need to click here to click to buy the product itself. Let me add my first name and last name, and let's change this, and let's add a password, and let's click order now. Now we need to be redirected into the upsell page. So this is the upsell page. This is the membership page. If I just click yes, I will be, this order page will be added to my checkout page, but I like to go, I say no thanks. Then I need to be, I have already been redirected into the downsell page. I will say yes, I want this discount. Processing. Now this is our order details. When we check this, we'll find that we have our first main product, and also we have our downsell, and now the order value of this, the average order value of this is $234 US. So this is the sales funnel. Let's start. Let me test also if we if we accept the upsell. Let me see what will happen. So let's click close this, open incognito mode again. Let's click here. Let's open this, and let's say yes, I like to buy this now. Let's add our fake details. Let's add our just a fake password, and let's click order now. Something is missing. I need to make this, so let's make this here, and let's click order now, and let me accept. Actually, yes, I want, let me accept the membership. Now we have already redirected into the order details, which includes that we have our 2 products, the price for the full price, of the product itself, and also for the membership. Now the student will be paid or will be charged monthly for the membership, and they should be charged a one-time fee for the course itself. I know this may seem like complicated, but once you do this once, you will be able to do this every time you need to set up a sales funnel. Let me go through quickly the many steps that we have been through. Let me open this. So we have already created our products. We have already created our course, our masterclass, and our membership. Then we created our sales funnel. We started by installing our sales funnel software, which is StudioCart in this link. Then we created 3 products: course product, a membership product, a masterclass product. Created a sales page, added a link for our checkout page, added our upsell page, downsell page. Then we added our upsell pass inside the first product. Now we have this sales funnel set up inside our WordPress website. Again, I think this may seem complicated, but once you set this up for the first time, everything will go smooth, and you can set up many sales funnel to increase the revenue of your WordPress website. Hopefully you find this video useful, and I made it easy, a little bit easy for you to set up your sales funnel using WordPress. So if you like this video, please give me a like, and also please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I create similar videos every day for you to create better WordPress websites. Now, thank you so much and see you in the next video.